Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial I will show you how to change the icon of folder on Mac operating system. Are you ready? So open your browser and then type photos, and the icon should be transparent, and I'm going to download some of Mr. Bean photos as you can see here, and this one I'm going to download, and this one. Okay, once you download the image, I'm going to open the folder, and now open the image which you want to set as an icon. I'm going to open that. Once you open the photo, you should go to file, you should go to edit, select all, and then after that you should go to edit and copy. Okay, and once you copy it, I'm going to change the folder, the icon of this folder. Okay, I'm going to click on that, get infos, and as you can see here, click on that and go to edit and paste. As you can see, the icon of this folder has been changed successfully. That's how you can actually change the icon of folder on Mac operating system. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.